Hello children, myself Azra from Set Vidya Mandir High School. Today I am back with 5th lesson of EVS 1. The name of lesson is Water for Every Household. So children, these pictures shows us containers used for storing water at home. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. So steel, plastic, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots were used to store water. People also built tanks in their houses to store water. Care of drinking water. To ensure good hygiene, we must have safe drinking water. We keep the drinking water containers covered. It prevents contamination. Water does not become stale. We should use drinking water for other purposes only if it gets dirtied due to some reason. Using pipes, we can distribute water stored in one place to several different places at the same time. Large cement or plastic tanks are installed on roofs of big buildings. Water from these tanks can be piped to the kitchens, bathrooms, toilets in these buildings. Water supply for a human settlement. A large water source is identified near a settlement. Water from it is brought through a large pipe to a common place. There the water is made safe for drinking. This is called purification of water. Water tanks at a height. We know that water flows downwards, but if we want to lift water upwards, we have to use some force. To do that, we need to use a machine. Machines used for lifting water are called pumps. Pumps run on diesel or electricity. Before electricity was discovered, it was not possible to raise water to very great heights. Journey of water from source to house. Rainwater is the main source of water. The water is sent to water purification plant. According to need, water released through big pipes. After that, water is distributed to our houses through small pipes. Human beings cannot live without water. Hence, it is necessary to have a source of water as close as possible to where we live. That is why in olden days cities grew on the banks of big rivers. Even today in some places water is drawn from wells or bore wells for use at home, but it needs to be ensured that the water is potable. If it is not, then it should be boiled for purpose of drinking, so that it will be not endanger our health. In some places, water is supplied by transporting it by means of tankers. It is easy to lift an empty bucket instead of a filled bucket. By this, you can imagine how much tough it is to carry water. You children are very blessed that you all receive water from tap. So children, take a quick recap what we have learned. We need water, so we store water at home. A lid and tap on a water container help to keep the water clean and make it easier to use. If drinking water is not potable, it can cause diseases. Therefore, special care must be taken of drinking water. Cities and towns have water purification centers and distribution systems. If we use water from the other sources, we should ensure that it is potable. Obtaining potable water involves labor as well as expense. Water should be stored properly and used carefully. What can you do to ease the work of filling and storing water in your house? Children, always remember water is valuable. Take good care of it.